So in this flag in 50 seconds we're looking at the Republic of Malta. The origins of this flag stem back to the late 11th century when Roger I, a Count of Sicily, allegedly granted Malta a simple white and red coat of arms on which the flag is based. That said, what is officially known is that the Knights of Malta, who ruled for many centuries, used a red flag with either a plain white or Maltese cross. After Britain came to control and eventually declared Malta a crown colony in 1813, the Union flag was mostly flown on the island. After this, a number of British Malta state ensign flags were used, as well as civil flags, governor flags, and even Queen Elizabeth II had a personal flag for the country, probably to keep the flag makers employed. King George VI of the United Kingdom granted Malta the George Cross, a military decoration to the inhabitants of the island for their heroic defence during World War II. The Maltese, being proud of this, added the cross to their flag, and so the current design has been their national symbol since they became independent on the 21st of September 1964. The vastly historic, for such a small island, flag of Malta.